Tapered floating hose is also called floating hose A in Nanjing Deers. Dredgers like CSD/TSHD dredgers can help to solve the demands of sand/rocks. And these dredgers need our dredging tapered floating hoses to convey mixtures of sand/rock/seawater. The tapered floating hose has enough buoyancy to float on water and better flexibility. These floating pipelines can work under harsh conditions very well. Tapered floating hoses supplied by Nanjing Deers have been used by some major trailing suction hopper dredgers, TSHD, around the world. We can produce and supply floating pipelines according to your requirement. Flang design according to your requirement, too. We would like to work with you together to contribute to the dredging industry in the future. Warmly welcome to contact us anytime if you need dredging floating hoses and pipelines.